Hi, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bjorn, and today I'm making an artichoke dip without mayo. This recipe is super easy and can be used as a base for a lot of different artichoke dips, such as lobster artichoke dip or spinach artichoke dip. First we start by draining and chopping up the artichoke into small pieces. Then we add a quarter cup of shredded cheddar cheese, 4 ounces of cream cheese, half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, half a cup of sour cream, 2 cloves of pressed garlic, 1 teaspoon hot sauce, half a teaspoon salt, and half a teaspoon pepper. Now you mix it really well. Then transfer the mix to a small oven-safe casserole dish. Sprinkle some paprika on top for added flavor and looks. Bake in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. What other ingredients have you put in your artichoke dip? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe.